Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change my verified email address on blockchain.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the blockchain.com application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to blockchain. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the account and the DFI wallet, which you can go and screenshot from. In the bottom, we have the home screen, prices, we have the earn option, and in the top left corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change my verified email address on blockchain.com. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. Basically, what you need to do is go and click on the top left corner on your avatar picture here, something that looks like a profile picture. And here guys, we have a lot of options. We have profile, preferences, exchange links, security, link cards, and the help center. What we want to focus on is the profile. As you can see underneath the wallet ID, which is the first thing, then the second thing, we have the email verified. You just need to go and click on that green button there, change your email, save it, and you'll have another one. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. Of course guys, because this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.